Right, so we do have some airdrops to go and claim. We do have as well a new microphone, so let me know how the voice is. And with that said, we're gonna jump straight onto it. Up to the first airdrop to go and claim right now is the Hyperlane Season 2 airdrop. Now, the Hyperlane Season 2 airdrop is right here, and you can claim it, as you see here, both with your Ethereum wallet as well as with your Solana wallet. So all you gotta do through the link down below, go and check, connect one wallet, disconnect the other one, go and claim with either EVM, the MetaMask, the Coinbase, and everything. And I have already claimed it, so I'm not gonna waste your time. And if you wanna go and sell it, go straight to Jumper. Now remember that it's on the Ethereum ecosystem. And if you do wanna sell them, as right now I got 218 tokens, it's about $70. You do need the possibility for, as we see right here, Ethereum gas fees. Now they're not cheap. Now it's not even terrible if you do it at time of recording this video today. We are looking at a actually way too up, $200 for some fees right here. So we're not gonna do anything. We can try again. But yes, make sure to have Ethereum on the Ethereum ecosystem for some gas fees because they could be a little bit dissing out right there. So go and do it. Next up, I want to go and showcase you today's trade. I will go and open, as we see here, on a 20x leverage, a short on a Bitcoin. I do think, looking at the graphs right here, which I did tweet about it over on Twitter, so go and follow me over there, is Ethereum is gonna go down. I am aiming for 112,000 as the sell price. So we have it right here. I'm gonna go and put it at 112,000 with a 20x leverage on a $150 position, confirm it, and I am good to go. So make sure to go and open your trade as well on Wix with me. There is a 100% deposit bonus, meaning that if you go and deposit $1,000, you get $1,000 in deposit bonus. Make sure and do that. And as well, through the link down below, download the app. You will get a $1,000 position on an Ethereum long or short of your choice by simply downloading the app. So the links will be down below. Make sure to go and get the bonus. Make sure to go and trade with free money. It's pointless to go and say no to it. So make sure to go and do it. And this is my position. I'll keep you updated. Next up, we also have, by the way, on Twitter, you can come and follow me. If you are into trading, some of you are not. I post all the technical analysis over there. So come and follow me over there. Next up, we have the Boundless token sale, and the airdrop is right here. So we got a 1 billion total token supply, the ecosystem growth for 49% of the token, team and investor 23.5%. A little bit too high in my opinion. Investor 21%, community sales and airdrop 6%. Not the best, I'm gonna be honest, not the best when it comes to it, but make sure to go and check it out. Make sure and let me know your token allocation for this one, as well as the Hyperlane token that you did receive. So these are your location. Let me know how much you received from it. Next up, we have the Linea Airdrop Checker. As we see right here, this is the latest update as of tonight, 3 a.m. when I was sleeping. Checker is upcoming. Stay tuned on the Linea announcements. So go to the Linea Discord server, which is where the announcement is gonna take place. And on our official social on X, or also on Twitter, they will announce the airdrop, but be careful. I believe it's gonna be this week. So between now and the end of the week, be ready for it. Tokenomics would be first, as we stated officially. Next is the checker. So the Linea Checker is coming right now, is coming fast and is coming strong. So definitely something important to go and see, something to go and consider also for these coming days. The airdrop is coming very, very soon. And another thing for all of you that do like trading and watch my video until the end, you can sign up to Breakout now and get a percentage discount when going and purchasing one of the plan. When going and purchasing one of the plan right here, we got a 5,000, 10,000, 25. This is the money that you get in the account you buy for only $60 or $100, $275. And basically this allows you to go and trade with this much capital for only this little amount of money. So you get $100,000 to trade with for only $1,000. And as you see here, I do have it. I have position open on Ethereum and a Bitcoin. I did short it on Wix. I did put along here, so I also utilize it as margin. And I will go and open a small 500 link position as well on a long because I do like it a lot. And here it is, order fill. So this is the position I've already made $20, as you see here. So come and join me over on Breakout. It's a nice prop firm that allows you to trade with way more money than what you could have for a very small fraction of the price. And as well, for the end of the video, a quick reminder for your OL to airdrop. They will come. They will do the airdrop very, very soon, so make sure to go and stick to it. Make sure to do at least one swap, one bridge every once in a while for the airdrop allocation, and you will be good to go. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.